We're at Indianapolis's historic Union Station, the oldest in the United States, dating to the late 1800s, and now this major rail terminal has been turned into a really remarkable hotel. Welcome to the Crowne Plaza Hotel at historic Union Station in downtown Indianapolis. Here we are. Nice hotel, very conveniently located, but what's so magnificent here is that the rooms, at least some of them, are in historic Pullman train cars. Let's go take a look. The room itself is very nice, not so different from the other rooms in the hotel. Little mini bar area, spacious seating, nice work desk. Look at these windows. I mean, this is a 1920s Pullman train car after all. So your curtains are going to be down most of the time. But it's really great. Big king bed, very good reading lights. If you look outside here, you get a sense of the beams that held this place together. It's really fantastic. And if you look through the wall there, which you can't see, real trains are still going by. Nice bathroom. Anything you could need for a comfortable night's stay. But let's go look at the structure underneath this car. This is an old rail yard, so of course the metal beams are everywhere. And then these ghost characters. Best thing for kids. Indoor heated pool. Same train shed. The old part of the station is now a convention center, but it's really fabulous inside.